Hershey's Crackle Equations. How many crackle bars are hidden by the blue mask? Each of these two pictures contains the same number of crackle bars. An equal number of crackle bars are hidden by each whole blue box. Now solve this visually concrete equation by selecting X to represent the blue box and by selecting no label for the crackle bar. Each side of the equation contains the same number of counting units, that's crackle bars. Each X masks or hides an equal number of counting units. The left-hand picture of this equation can be represented by the symbols 4 and 1x. The right-hand picture of this equation can be represented by the symbols 1 2/3 x and 2. What is a possible first step to solve this symbolic representation of an equality of counting units with some counting units hidden by masking boxes? Remove one x from each picture. Each x represents the same unknown number of crackle bars. Simplify each side of the equation by combining similar terms. Remove two counting units from each picture. Subtract two crackle bars from each picture. Simplify each side of the equation by combining similar terms. To create whole blue candy boxes in the right-hand picture, duplicate the 2/3 of a blue candy box and the crackle bars in each picture twice by multiplying each current picture by 3. Multiplication by 3 will add each current group to itself twice. Simplify. Find the product on each side of the equation. The number of crackle bars hidden by a single blue masking unit can be found by uniform factoring by 2 to identify the one duplicate group on each side of the equation. The same multiple of 2 is determined by the number of blue masking units. The desire to remove the same number of duplicate groups on each side of the equation is indicated first. A denominator of 2 will remove one duplicate group. This is followed by uniform factoring by the number of masking units to identify the duplicate groups on each side of the equation. Cancellation of factors is used to indicate that each duplicate group is removed in each picture of the equation. Each blue box contains, hides or masks 3 crackle bars. The crackle bar value for 1x can be substituted into the original equation to determine if it is a valid solution. Use parentheses to replace x. Rewrite the original equation while leaving an open set of parentheses in place of the masking unit x as shown. Replace x in this parenthesized original equation with the value 3. That's 3 crackle bars. Simplify. Use the distributive property to multiply the mixed number. 1 2/3 times 3 will be 1 times 3 and 2/3 times 3. These simplify to 3 and 2. Then combine similar terms on each side of the equation. Find the total number of crackle bars in each picture. Each original picture actually contains 7 whole crackle bars. Count the crackle bars in each picture to see. Check the answer in these original pictures to prove that the two pictures each contain the same number of crackle bars. Each original picture actually contains 7 whole crackle bars. Count the crackle bars in each picture to see.